Exercise number 7. Use Python external module, PDF2Docx to convert PDF file to Docx file. Use Easy GUI module to open and save file using dialog box. Hi, we shall convert this PDF file to Docx file. Import everything from PDF2Docx module. The star means you are importing all functions and attributes of the module. Install this module using pip install method. Import Easy GUI module. You can install it using pip as well. This module will enable you to open and save file using dialog box. Get location of to be converted PDF file using file open dialog box of Easy GUI module. Similarly, define the address and name of Docx file using file save dialog box of the module. Use converter attribute of the module to select the PDF file to convert. Convert the file to Docx file using convert option. Close the file to end the file conversion operation. Run the code. The dialog box will open the file to be selected for opening. Select Data PDF file. Next, the dialog box will ask you to save the Docx file with name and location. Let's enter name for Docx file as converted. The program will start converting the PDF file to Docx file. The process is completed. Let's check our folder if it is saved there. A new Docx file is created. We can open the file to check if everything went smoothly.